Every second of every day, you are under attack. Not from enemies you can see, but from trillions of microscopic invaders. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, all trying to take over your body, use your cells, and replicate themselves. If your immune system dropped its guard for even a few hours, you'd be dead. Thankfully, inside you is a hidden army. A force so advanced, it rivals the most complex military on Earth. Let's open the gates and witness the war being fought inside your body. It's a normal day. You're outside barefoot. A rusty nail hidden in the grass punctures your skin. Just like that, the fortress is breached. Beneath your skin, trillions of bacteria that were once harmless bystanders seize their moment. They pour into the wound, bypassing your first line of defense, your skin. These bacteria waste no time. They're living machines, duplicating themselves every 20 minutes. In hours, their population explodes into the millions. They don't just grow, they prepare. Some change behavior, releasing chemicals that damage your tissue and confuse your cells. It's no longer a scratch. It's a war zone. Enter the macrophages, your body's first defenders. They're massive, ancient immune cells stationed at borders across your body, skin, lungs, gut. These sentinels don't hesitate. They rush in, engulfing intruders whole, trapping them inside specialized compartments, and breaking them apart with deadly enzymes. A single macrophage can take out over 100 invaders before it tires. But they do more than fight. They sound the alarm, releasing chemicals that widen blood vessels, call reinforcements, and flood the area with fluid. You feel it as swelling, redness, and warmth. That's not infection. It's your body activating battle mode. The alarm echoes through your bloodstream. Deep in your bone marrow, neutrophils awaken. These are your body's kamikaze warriors, aggressive, relentless, and short-lived. Within minutes, they arrive at the wound in huge numbers. They release nets of toxic proteins, trapping and killing bacteria in sticky, explosive webs. They're so lethal, they sometimes kill nearby healthy cells too. But nature has a failsafe. After 5 days, neutrophils self-destruct. They're not built to stick around, just to burn the enemy to the ground. If the battle doesn't end quickly, the immune system calls in something smarter. The dendritic cells, your biological intelligence agents. They collect evidence, pieces of dead bacteria, chemical trails, protein shapes. Then, they travel to the nearest lymph node, your body's hidden command center. There, billions of T cells wait in silence, each trained to recognize a specific enemy. The dendritic cell searches for the T cell that can recognize this invader. When it finds a match, the T cell explodes into action. One match turns into thousands. The selected helper T cell multiplies, forming 3 critical groups. Memory T cells, long-term soldiers that will remain on watch for years. Fighter T cells, traveling to the battlefield to assist directly. Commanders, tasked with activating the most powerful immune weapons, B cells. Each B cell also has a unique lock. When the right T cell finds its perfect match, the B cell erupts into action, cloning itself and becoming a plasma cell, a factory that churns out weapons at astonishing speed. These weapons are called antibodies, tiny Y-shaped proteins designed to stick to one specific invader. Each antibody acts like a signal flare. Target here. Kill this one. They latch onto bacteria, neutralizing them or marking them for destruction. Killer cells now have laser guidance, thanks to the antibodies. Even exhausted macrophages get a second wind, gobbling up antibody-tagged enemies with ease. The tide is turning. The body begins to win. Once the infection is cleared, the immune system powers down. Most soldiers self-destruct, no longer needed, not worth wasting energy. But not all. Memory cells stay behind, watching, waiting. If this bacteria ever returns, your immune system won't need hours to respond. It'll take minutes, maybe seconds. You might not even feel sick. Inside you is a war you never see. Battles fought by soldiers that never sleep. A system so elegant, so ruthless, and so smart. It keeps you alive every day. The next time you recover from a cold, or a cut heals in days, remember, you were saved by an army. A silent, secret force that never stops protecting you.